Hello beauties, today I'm gonna do a Eid makeup tutorial. This video is for you because Eid is coming. So first of all, I'm cleaning my skin with a cleanser. You can use any cleanser if you want your favorite one. Then I'm using a toner, then moisturizer. So skin prep is very much important for your skin, and then I'm prepping my skin with Vaseline. Then I'm using a waterproof foundation, and every product links are below in the description box. Then I'm using a high coverage foundation, or you can call it is a HD foundation or concealer color. So then I'm blending it out with a beauty blender. Then I'm using a MAC lip palette for my blush, blending with my fingers, then using a damp beauty blender little bit on my nose, chin and forehead area for a glowing effect. Then I'm using a spoolie to give a perfect shape for my brows. You can check the description box, there is a video on how to do your brows perfectly. Then I'm using a concealer to conceal my eyelids, and then I'm using a light brown shade on the crease line. Then I'm using a shimmer color on my eyelids. Then I'm using the highlighter. So here I'm using Hojo highlighter. This is my one of the favorite highlighter I am using for like couple of years. Then I'm doing the contour. This is powder contour because I don't need cream contour for this natural Eid makeup look. Then I'm doing a liner, so you can check there is a video on my YouTube channel, so how to do a wing liner perfectly. Then I'm doing my lips. So for lips I'm just applying the product on inner side of my lips, then I will blend it out with a lip gloss. So this is my personal technique to do the lips. I do this technique very often because I love this way how my lip looks like, because I want it glossy and very natural. So if you want more video tutorials, just comment down and let me know which makeup look or which makeup tutorial you want to see on my next video. So for the lashes I'm curling it out, and then I'm using a mascara, and then I'm using the lashes. After that I'm using a light brown eyeshadow on my lower side of my eyes. After that I will move for the kajal. Yeah, I love kajal. And then I'm using a lash glue and I put a stone bindi here. Then for the hair, so yeah, this is the final look for Eid makeup. So this is based on like white churidar, or you can say suit. So this is the final look. As you can see, if you love this look, please comment down and let me know which part of this makeup you love the most. And if you need a brief tutorial of every makeup, like it can be toasty makeup, it can be like Indian bridal makeup, so you can comment down. So these are the looks. I hope you loved it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and like, share and subscribe, and tata.